Hi everyone, in this quick guide I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut for PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips. Let's jump right in. As you can see, this project is currently set to at 9:16 vertical format. Great for TikTok or Instagram Reels. But let's say you want to switch it to something like 16 to 9 for YouTube. Head over to the bottom right corner of the video preview window. You'll see a button labeled ratio. Click it and a list of aspect ratio options will appear. You'll find a popular choice like for YouTube, for Instagram, for vertical platform, and even a custom option. For this example, I'll choose 16 to 9, probably the most commonly used format. Once you click it, your project will instantly update to the new aspect ratio. The video itself stays the same size until you adjust it manually. To do that, click on the video clip in your timeline. On the right-hand panel, make sure video is selected. Under the Basic tab, you'll find the Scale controls. You can use the slider to zoom in or out, or uncheck Uniform Scale if you want to adjust the width and height separately. This gives you full control over how your videos fits into the new frame. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.